tutorial, we'll be showing you guys how to service a tire. Right now we have this stem over here. We'll be using it to take out the valve core. Okay. You want to place it in here and you want to twist to your left. And this will take out all the tire length completely. Now we will break the bead. Take the tire, roll it over to the shoe loosener, place it right underneath, and you just want to tuck it right under the rim. As you can see, if you can go around. Okay. Alright, over here we have 3 pedals. Number 1 over here is a tire clamp, which uses this. Just tap it and it will clip on. Alright. Number 2 is for the bead loosener, which we'll be using right now by pressing it. And number 3 is we'll spin the tire clamp. So holding it down, we'll spin it. Simple. Alright, so we're gonna be using the middle right now because we're breaking the bead. So hold this, keep it right under the rim, just tuck it right under and just hold down the pedal. And we're breaking the bead. We just broke the bead. Now again, on this side as well, I do it for a better, more efficient area. Again, same thing. Right now we want to do it on this side because we still have to break this bead. Same thing, place it, and just try to tuck it right underneath. So even this is fine, right? Just want to break the bead. There we go. And again on this side. Same thing. There we go. Now we're going to place the tire on the tire clamp. Picking it up and placing it gently. Again, as I told you guys, just tap it. And now it's in place. It won't move. The tire is perfect. There we go. Now we want to take lube and just want to lube the inside part. Just for a easy and smooth way to remove the tire, right? Alright, we're going to take the duck head. This is called a duck head. As you can see, it has a duck head. So I want to place it right over here, like this. A couple of millimeters away. And this will be a perfect one right over here. As you can see. There we go. Just like that. Simple. Alright. Next step is our swing arm. This is what's called a swing arm. You want to take it and place it right underneath. Right underneath. And just want to lip right over. Again, just take the lube. Lube it around. And want to spin using this pedal again. And here we go. We just removed the top. Second step is to remove the entire tire by placing the swing arm underneath. Right over here, as you can see, that is underneath. And again, as we did for the first, just swing right over like this and spin again. Place this back. We we just remove the tire from the rim. Now we're gonna put the tire back on. So this is a mounting process. Again, pick up the tire, place it on top of the rim. Take your lube again and just lube the inner side. Lube the inner side, the outer side. Right again, and inside as well, don't forget. Again on the other side, on this side as well. Same thing, same process. Again. There we go. You want to place your tire like this, and you want to take your duck head and just swing it right over. And you want to place the tire, the thread, right over here, and just let it slip on. And then just press this. It'll go on beautifully. Again, same thing. Place it underneath, and just like that, and just push down over here, like this. Again. There we go. Just want to lift the duck head, put it all the way to the side, and now you want to take this machine, want to lift, you want to drop it down nicely and gently. Over here we have our PSI hose, PSI, and we have a pedal over here, which gives us air. There we go. This is the way to fill up air. Before we can pump air, you want to take this, and you want to take your core, your stem, valve core, and you just want to place it inside nicely. And we're going to be using this just to tighten it up, like we removed it. So again, hold it and just twist to your right to tighten it up. Now it's tight. You can lift it off, put it back in its position, and now this comes in handy. This comes in use. Clip it right on. I'm just gonna pump air. There we go. It's in action. What you want to do is you want to keep the air max up to 30 to 32 psi. That's the recommended air pressure that should be used in every tire, in every normal tire. So if I stop, right now I have about 20, 27, 28 psi. I want it to go up to 30. So again, I just keep going. Just keep your leg pushed down on the air pedal. Now we're just doing one more PSI. We're good to go. There we go. You want to just hold the clip and take it right out. Place it back to its original position. You want to take the safety restraint arm. You want to lift. Just put it back nicely and gently. And now you want to remove the tire clamp. So you just with a tap. It's off. It's unloaded. And here we go. We have our tire back to its original position. And this is how you service a tire.